I'm going to share some habits with you to help you improve your English skills. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced English learner, these tips will definitely help you on your learning journey. Hey there, I'm Mina. Thank you very much for showing up here. Hit the subscribe button to get us started. The first habit to improve is to read every day. Reading is a fantastic way to improve your vocabulary, grammar, and comprehension skills. You can read books, newspapers, articles, or anything that attracts your attention in English. For example, you can start by reading short stories, news articles, or even English blogs that attract your attention. Just to start, read whatever you find. Next up, listen every day. This could be watching movies, series, listening to podcasts, audiobooks, or music. Listening will help you improve your pronunciation, comprehension, and even speaking skills. You can start by watching your favorite TV shows with English subtitle, or listening to English podcasts based on topics that interest you. Next important habit is to practice speaking every day, even if it is just by yourself. You can narrate your daily activities, talk to yourself in front of the mirror, or have imaginary conversations with yourself. The key is to practice speaking every day, even if you make mistakes. Don't be scared of making mistakes. Learn from them and improve yourself. Another important habit is to write in English regularly. Keep a journal, write emails, or try creative writing. Writing will help you improve your spelling, grammar, and sentence structure. For example, write a short paragraph about your daily routine or a short summary of your favorite movie. Take your pencil and a piece of paper, write in your free time, and you'll see your progress over time. Next important habit to improve is to try to learn a few new words every day and use them in sentences. You can use flashcards or language learning apps, or you can simply write down words in a notebook. For example, if you use a new word like exciting, practice making a sentence with it, like, I had an exciting day at work. So just learning the meaning is not enough. Try to learn how to use it in a sentence correctly. There are a lot of language learning apps out there that can help you improve your vocabulary, grammar, listening, or even speaking skills. You can use these apps while you're commuting to work. Use your time wisely. Besides language learning apps, finding a language partner can be an excellent way to practice English. You can practice speaking skills with your friend, language partner, or your teacher. This will give you the opportunity to have real conversations in English. Don't underestimate the power of feedback. Be open to feedback on your speaking skills. Join social media groups or language exchange meetups to interact with other language learners. This gives you the opportunity to ask your questions, improve your English, or even make new friends. One more beneficial thing you can do is to try to use English in your daily life as much as possible. Label the items in your home with their English names. It helps you to think in English. Use your gadgets in English. Your phone, your tablet, your laptop, or any other gadgets you use must be in English. This will help you become more comfortable in using English in real life. The most important thing along your journey is not to be afraid of making mistakes. If you make a mistake, learn from it and use it as an opportunity to improve yourself. The more you practice, the more confident you will become in your English skills. Believe in yourself and study English. Remember, consistency is the key. Apply these habits into your daily routine and you'll be amazed by seeing how much your English will improve over time. If you can think of any other habits that I didn't mention in this video, please comment them below and share them with me. Thank you very much for watching this video till the end. I'll be back very soon. Bye bye.